Hi and welcome. Today I want to show you an even larger Newman motor that I've put together. As you can see, the rotor is quite big. The coil is here, as you can see. It shows the rotor in its entirety. Very big, very powerful. And this is the coil. That fits in the top. Now, on this occasion, I've not connected up the top coil because I'm going to run it on the bottom one. I've actually got one at the bottom and one at the top. And the one at the bottom is connected to this left hand side HV point contactor that I make. The top one will be connected to this side once I get round to doing that. But first, excuse me. But first I'm going to run it just on one coil to give you an idea of how powerful this is. I've got a 220 volt bulb on my back EMF, and that will be showing you, it will be lit up. And I'm going to run it first of all on 14 volt, and I'm going to transfer it to the 18 volt, and then I'm going to connect all three batteries up in series to give about 50 volts, which shows the power that's in this rotor. And because there is a lot of torque, I'm sure that it can drive a very good generator of sorts. But anyway, first of all, I'll run this off the 14. I'm going to turn this monitor on, put it on to 600 volts DC, and that's where they are there, and that's showing me back spike from there and there, and that'll be showing the back spike there as well as at the bulb. So first of all then, I'm on the 14 volt, and there you can see it's kicking away now. The bulb is clicking. It's 220 volts, and you can see how the speed's picking up just on 14 volts. And this is a big heavy rotor. It must be at least 15 kilograms in weight, and it moves it easily. So now I'm going to step it up to the 18. And you'll see it pick up even further. I bet you can hear that. A lot more speed with an extra 4 volts. That's motoring. Now what I'm going to do is connect up the two 18 volts to make 36, which will increase the speed even further. and now you will hear and see the power that this machine has. That's 36 volts, and I can't stop that by hand on the shaft or anywhere else. That is very powerful. With one coil at the bottom, top coil, once connected, will be synchronized with the opposite pole of the rotor. So effectively there will be two drive coils, one at the bottom, which should increase the torque even more. Now I'm going to change it. Oh, let me just show you this. There we go, look. At the moment, 150, 160, 200, and that's why that bulb is flickering there. And that's the back spike, which is available. Right, so what I'm going to do now, find the wire, I'm going to put it all onto the 50 volts, which is all three batteries. I'll put a wire down somewhere. Just one moment. Right, so here we go. And this is 50 volts, all three batteries. And the speed is very high. The torque is very powerful. Plus I'm getting a higher feedback. 200, 400, 260 is where it will try and level out at 260 volts. Ideas for this, and so hopefully I'll be able to put a few videos up as I'm doing different tests to find its capabilities. I'm not very good at talking, so I hope you've understood what I've been saying. If you need to know anything, just let me know. I'll try and get back to you with the answer. Now, I did notice on an earlier trial that the voltage on my batteries, on all three batteries, went up. I'm not sure about the amps, but the voltage definitely went up. But that's something I've got to investigate. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. Leave a like if you will, and please subscribe if you haven't done already, as it will help to build up the channel. What I'm trying to do, difficult. I've had a lot of interest in some of my designs and thoughts really, but anyway, as I say, thanks for looking, and I will be back up in a couple of weeks time with another one, hopefully. So bye for now, and keep safe.